Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Friends, if you don't want your image and video posted on Instagram are available to general public on Instagram, then you simply need to make your Instagram account private. So to make your account private, you simply need to open Instagram app. Now in Instagram, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Now press on settings. In settings, press on privacy. Now here under account privacy, you will find private account. You simply need to enable it. Now after reading it, press on switch to private. Now friends, our Instagram account is private now. So friends, like this you can very easily make your Instagram account private. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.